Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find the radio audio fuses on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find it. Now, please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostics until you watch that video. We'll talk about why the radio may not be working as well, and if you need to buy after that any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where we get also most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the radio audio fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes GLC. Guys, today we'll be working in one fuse box, lucky for us, and that's on the passenger side. Open the passenger door in the footwell compartment on the passenger side. On the A-pillar you have one cover here. Pull that cover, behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check first, the main fuse that we'll need to check 3 fuses. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse 322. Right here, this is your main fuse, guys, 322. If your radio audio command system does not work, the screen will explain what else can cause that. Next, you need to check fuse MF1 and MF2. Each one of these fuses, those are big giant fuses, consist of 6 little fuses built in one. 6 7.5 amp fuses, 6 5 amp fuses. Remove these two, inspect and test each one of them to make sure you don't have a problem. You don't have a relay, guys. The relay function, okay, practically is controlled by the fuses known as relay fuses, but if you still have problems with the radio command system, you may want to, guys, check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module, SAM module. If you don't know where these fuses are located, we have a video on the channel that will help you with that as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.